getting the employment so they can do the job and benefit also at household level.
Na mahakama ya Kilifi imeamuru raia wawili wa Italia walioshtakiwa kwa kosa la kupokea shilingi milioni 32 kwa njia ya udanganyifu huko Watamu kuwasilisha stakabadhi zao za usafiri zikiwamo pasipoti. Hakimu mkuu wa mahakama hiyo James Monike anasema raia hao walienda kinyume na agizo walilopewa mwezi Mei 29 baada ya kupanga safari kutoka nje ya nchi Novemba 22, siku moja baada ya kesi hiyo. Hakimu Monike anasema Daniele Lokoko na Nasimo na TV watalazimika kufanya maombi rasmi mahakamani ili wapate idhini ya kuruhusiwa kusafiri nje ya nchi.
Without knowing the next hearing dates, they have travel itinerary out of the country for 22nd November 2024, a day after the last hearing. Accused persons' travel arrangement is tantamount to putting court on notice that when they come for the hearing, they will only stay in the country during the hearing period, after which they will fly out of the country, and therefore no proceedings should be undertaken until or unless they come back again. It's another way of telling the court to align its diary with their travel plans. The conditions granted by the court have been abused and misused by the accused persons, and the court has been reduced into a mere spectator on when the accused persons can leave the country and come back and the reasons for such travel. But most importantly, when the case should be fixed for hearing, lest the hearing dates inconvenience the accused persons by interfering with their travel plans. The accused persons seemingly in control of the court proceedings cannot be countenanced by the court.